Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can share your form in Typeform. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. When you log in into Typeform, the first thing you will see is your workspace. This is where you can create and manage your Typeforms. First, you need to have a form that you want to share. In this case, I will click on this one I have already created, and you can edit your Typeform as you want. Typeform has an autosave feature, so your work is saved automatically. When you have finished building a Typeform, click Publish to make it live, so you can share it online. So publish your Typeform before you share it. So this link is where your Typeform lives. By default, when you hit Publish, anyone with the URL can now view and insert it. You can copy this link and just open it like this. You can see that this is your form. Go to the Share panel. This is where you will see all of your sharing options. We can share a form through a link, QR code, or embed it on our website. The app offers many customization options in terms of embedding forms. You find the following embed options: standard, full page, pop-up, slider, popover, and side tab. Front-end developers can also check out the embed SDK. And at any time guys, you can watch my Typeform tutorial video to learn more about how you can use Typeform in under 22 minutes. Link in the description. So hopefully this video helped you out, and yeah, bye bye.